Hello guys! In this video, we're going to talk about how to use images to sell more on Telegram. Let's get started. Do you have an e-commerce website or are you selling products on Telegram? Marketing through Telegram provides opportunities to attract potential customers who could be interested in your products. If people search for keywords that match the products that you are selling, they can discover your group or your channel where you are promoting your products. Your potential buyers can learn about your products as you showcase them on your group or Telegram channel. Images are important to encourage your potential buyers to purchase the products from your business. Selling using Telegram channels. You can broadcast your product photos on your Telegram channel. You can use channels to promote the products that you are selling. So if you're selling merchandise online, such as t-shirts or apparel, your channel can act as your page to showcase your products. Your subscribers can be notified whenever you upload new photos on your channel. Make sure to create a public channel so that people can discover your Telegram channel and the photos of the product that you are selling. When people search for keywords that match your channel, they can browse the photos that you have uploaded on your channel. If you have an e-commerce website, you can add a link to where they can purchase your product, so they can easily purchase the product they like on your e-commerce site. You can also enable the discussion feature so that interested buyers can leave feedback on your product photos. They can discuss the availability of the product, and during the discussion, they can already decide to purchase your product. Upload high-quality photos of your product. Make sure to upload non-pixelated photos that are also not blurred. Your photos have a high impact on whether your potential customers will purchase your products or not. You can entice your channel viewers or subscribers to be interested in the product as you use photos that showcase the product that you are selling. High-quality photos will encourage potential customers that they want to have that product. Next, showcase photos of the product used by people. If you are selling clothes, bags, or shoes, you should show the product modeled by people. This way, your potential customers will see how the products look good when used. This can allow your potential buyers to see at a glance if they're going to purchase your product. If you are selling products that people can use at home, you can show how people can use them daily so that they will be enticed to view them as people show how to use them on your photos. Next, share multiple photos of your product. You can take photos of your product that shows different angles of the product. This way, your potential customers can appreciate it more. If you just upload one photo, they are more likely to ask for more photos, so it's better to have more photos for one product. Next, selling using Telegram groups. You can create a Telegram group where you can share the products that you are selling. More people are joining and discovering groups that they are interested in. Create a public group to attract people to view your content. You can also look for groups with similar niches. You can even link this group to your channel so that your potential buyers can leave a comment on your product photos, discuss your products, and engage with the other members of the group. If you need to get unlimited leads with quality buyer traffic from YouTube ads, we have a marketing app that can help you get high-quality buyer traffic from YouTube using TubeTarget. Get quality traffic from YouTube for less than a fraction of Facebook. Master the secret tricks to a powerful, cutting-edge YouTube ad marketing video training that shows you everything you need to do. You can target buyers with precision. Get your targeting 100% precise and spot on for the highest quality and best converting traffic. Get rapid results. Put TubeTarget to practice to get measurable results right from the first day. TubeTarget is a powerful YouTube targeting SaaS with marketing training. Find monetized channels that will give you the best results for your niche. Get high-quality clicks and grab fresh leads. Get a flood of buyers with TubeTarget. Step 1. Find hundreds of monetized videos and channels for your niche. Step 2. Import your CSV into Google Ads and run your ads. Step 3. Watch the clicks non-stop. So try TubeTarget now. Go to gettubetarget.in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.